Move the r's over to the left, so we're going to subtract 2r. 4r subtract 2r is 2r. We've still got plus 6, and we've still got plus 14. The inverse of add 6 is subtract 6. So I've got positive 14 subtract 6, which is 8. The inverse of multiply by 2 is divide by 2. Let's move the 6z, so instead of being negative 6z, it's going to become positive 6z. 6z subtract 3z is 3z. Still have negative 1, still have positive 5. The opposite of subtract 1 is add 1. So 3z equals 6. And the inverse of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. FOIL. First, give me t squared. Outers, negative 9t. Inners, positive 9t. And lasts, positive 9 multiplied by negative 9 is negative 81. So I have t squared. Negative 90 plus 90 is no t's, and I've got the negative 81. Firsts is y squared. Outers, positive 5y. Inners, positive 2y. And lasts, positive 2 multiplied by positive 5 is positive 10. So I've got y squared, positive 5y plus 2y is positive 7y, and I've got positive 10 on the end. To factorise these ones, they're going into two brackets with plus signs to make 28. So 1 times 28, 2 times 14, or 4 times 7. And 4 add 7 makes 11. Same with the second one, so two brackets, both plus. This time I'm multiplying to make 21. So 1 times 21, or 3 times 7. And 3 and 7 makes 10. The inverse of divide by 5 is to multiply by 5, so u equals 5. The inverse of divide by 7 is to multiply by 7. So I've got negative 3 multiplied by 7 is negative 21. The inverse of subtract 27 is to add 27. Gives me an answer of 6. Right, the k's don't balance. The first thing I've got to do is some multiplying. So the bottom equation starts with the 3, so I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3. The top equation starts with a 1k, so I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 1. Which means it doesn't change. Then I subtract. K's disappear. I've got positive 15 subtract positive 5, which is 10, and 24 subtract 14, which is 10. The inverse of multiply by 10 is divide by 10. So C equals 1. We take the top equation, I've got k plus 5 c's, which I now know is 1. 5 ones are 5. The inverse of add 5 is subtract 5. 8 subtract 5 is 3, so k equals 3. Second one's slightly easier because we've already got the right number of x's, so we can just go straight to subtract. So I've got positive 4h subtract positive 7h, which is negative 3h. I've got 48 subtract 72, which is negative 24. The inverse of multiply by negative 3 is to divide by negative 3. So h equals 8. Put that into the top equation. 4x plus 4, h I now know is 8. 4 8s are 32. Opposite of add 32 is to subtract 32. And the opposite of multiply by 4 is divide by 4.